In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from OneDrive. Quick guide, 5 minutes. Let's start by signing into your Microsoft account in a web browser. Once you're in, look for the app launcher, the grid of small dots usually near the top left. Click it to open your Microsoft apps and choose OneDrive. This takes you to your cloud files and folders. From here, head to My Files. This is the main hub where all your personal OneDrive items live. If you have lots of folders, you can open a folder first or use the search box to quickly find what you want to remove. To delete a single file, hover over the file so you see its checkbox on the left. Click that checkbox to select it. After it's selected, open the More Options menu, the three dots that appear for the file. In the menu, choose Delete. OneDrive will ask you to confirm just to make sure you don't remove something by accident. Confirm the deletion and that file will be moved out of your main view. If you want to delete multiple files at once, the process is similar. Click the checkboxes beside each file you want to remove. When multiple items are selected, a toolbar appears across the top. Click Delete on that toolbar. You'll see a confirmation prompt again, confirm, and those files will be removed together. This is a great way to clean up large batches without repeating the same action over and over. A few quick tips to help you stay organized. First, deletions in OneDrive affect all synced locations. If you're syncing to a computer, removing a file on the web will also remove it from your synced folders on that device. Second, if a file is shared, deleting it may impact anyone you've shared it with, so double check before confirming. Third, if you change your mind, don't worry. Deleted items typically go to the OneDrive recycle bin, which you can access from the left panel. From there, you can restore files within the retention period set by your account. If you don't see the delete option in the toolbar for any reason, the three dots menu for the selected item will always include delete. And if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can select items and press the delete key on your keyboard, then confirm in the prompt. That's it. You've learned how to delete single files and multiple files in OneDrive quickly and safely while keeping control over what stays and what goes.